Hello, this is the information regarding this medical office space available at 640 South San Vicente Boulevard. This is the second floor. This is the floor plan of the second floor. On the left-hand side, we see the parking lot. There is straight access from the parking lot into the floor. These are the elevators. We have 3 elevators. The first option we have available for you of 1,477 square feet is Suite 220. Close to the elevator, you go here, Suite 220. Suite 210, I just rented out, so I need to take that out of the equation. But we have this one. It has 3 offices, 5 offices, 2 of them with windows. Another option we have here, Suite 291 and 292, we have this area and this one, these 3. This is almost 700 and something, almost 800. We can add this one as well, and this one we can add. So you can have all this area right out of the elevator. You just walk to the left, and to the right, that would be your clinic. That would be one. The other option we have available is at the end of the hall, Suite 240. The good thing about this Suite 240 is that we have 5 rooms, 1 large one over here, 2 with windows, and this can be used as a waiting room. And if you were to want, you can put a door here and you will have access to another suite over here, so the doctor can get in through here and the personnel can get in through here and the patients get on through here, and then the doctors can leave the premises from here and they don't need to face the waiting room of the patients. These are mainly the 3 options. This is option number 1, option number 2 here, and then is option number 3.